In my podcast with Dr. Saravanan Thangamani, we talk about tick-borne infections and illness. And Dr. Thangami made a couple of really important points. One of them was that the most important thing anyone can do to prevent getting one of these tick-borne infections like Lyme disease or something called babesiosis is to do a self-check after you've been outside. Again, this would be when, maybe you're going to take a shower and all your clothes are off so you can inspect your body. It's an important thing to get in, a routine of doing this. The other really important thing, which I was really found fascinating, was just by spraying your clothes with permethrin, that also will kill the ticks on contact. So it's really something to consider. And he mentioned there are even some clothes you can buy that have something like this already impregnated in the materials. Um, the other really important thing too is that if you do find a tick on your body, you to not just kill it, but remove it properly and place it into like a plastic bag, and you could send it to his lab at SUNY Upstate, or there are, depending where you live, a lot of states have their surveillance labs, and this could be critical because, as we discussed on the podcast, Lyme testing and sometimes for these other tick-borne infections, it's very tricky because there's a lot of different species, but the tick itself will tell you the story, the type of tick, and by analyzing what's inside the tick itself, it has the bacteria or a virus. These are all critical things. And of course, please don't ignore if you get symptoms and signs such as a non-itchy rash, if you get a fever or swollen lymph nodes or a severe headache. These can all be indications of a tick-borne infection. And the sooner you get treated, the sooner you're going to get better and have less complications. So I hope that you get a chance to listen to the podcast because I thought it was a really good one and that these tips help you have an enjoyable summer. Until next time.